These are Paracimium. You can see that the fish, the baby fry, will feed on those little moving things. Let's see if we can find more. Up here you can see them a little bit more clearly. This one is basically, yeah, there's a lot of them here. Nice. I'm gonna use this and feed it to my fish. The baby fish, they are too small to eat this. Look at the baby fish. They are too small. They can only eat food that 50 micrometer. I feed it to them out, which is a paracimium that you see in a microscope here. So that's why I need to culture these and feed it to my fish. This is at 15 times, I don't know what it is, what's the magnification, but I know that there's 15 times 10 maybe. Okay, let me go to higher magnification and see if we can see them closely. There you go. Pretty cool, right? Go higher. Yep. Too close. Yeah, they pass by too fast. Can't see anything.